Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 30th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the dollar yen, I still think this could be a wave 5, but I definitely do not see any evidence that it's over as of yet. And as we go down to the weekly time frame, it actually looks like we may end up going back up one more time because it still looks like a 1, 2, 3 to me. Still seems like this should be a wave 4 and potentially back up again for a wave 5, maybe even all the way up to the 100% Fibonacci extension. So, keeping that in mind, let's take it down to the weekly time frame. Now, like I've been saying for a very long time now, this definitely could be a wave A. This could be 1, 2, 3 waves up for wave B. We do have a pretty solid little turn, but it's not really happening at a fib level. But if this does go down, break structure, then I think it's going to prove that it is a wave B, and it's going to prove that we are going down for a wave C, which I still think would be a perfectly normal looking pattern if that is what it decides to do. Now, I honestly am not convinced of that. I honestly still think this is likely a 1, 2, 3, and I think this is likely already ended a wave 4, and I think this is likely already in a wave 5, and it may just keep on going up. So heading down to the 4 hour time frame, like I said, on the 4 hour time frame, we definitely do have a pretty impulsive move up, but the thing that I'm really looking at is that it made 1, 2, 3 waves up before the move down, which makes me think that this is actually just going to be another crescent to the uptrend, and that it is probably pretty likely to continue to make those higher highs, higher lows. I have this labeled as an ABC because, like I was showing on the daily, it could be a wave B, and if it does, go down, break structure, go up, make a pullback, and then make a lower high, I think that would be an amazing entry to go short. But I would have to see a nice clear break of structure. I would have to see a nice clear pullback to believe that this really is a wave B, and that this is really not actually just going to keep on trending up, which is what I actually think is more likely to happen. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, definitely a very, very strong move down. It looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If it keeps going down and it breaks and holds below this structure, it could confirm the turn on the higher time frames. But I also think because this is definitely 1, 2, 3 waves up, that this could even be like an irregular wave B. We could actually have a wave A here, and it could be a wave C. So if it does make 5 waves down, maybe reject this structure, go up, break structure to the upside, then I definitely think you need to continue to look for longs in an uptrend. We have to keep in mind that these yen pairs, all the yen pairs have been in a 4 year uptrend. Buying the dip on these yen pairs has been an amazing strategy for 4 years now. It could possibly stretch out to 5 years, 6 year uptrend. So you do have to be a little bit careful sorting the yen pairs because every time this thing goes down, it looks like it's turning. In the most recent 4 year past, it's usually just another correction to a much, much bigger uptrend. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website, linked down here, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live trading sessions. As always, thank you and happy trading.